Did you at any talking? Did you at any time ask Julie to get a loan out on your behalf? Yes or no?
Yes, Judge, there was a discussion of that.
Do you remember that discussion?
Yes.
Did she follow through with that offer? Yes or no, Hazel?
No.
She didn't?
Not at all.
Did you apply for a loan for £3,000?
Yes, Judge, I got it here in black and white, Judge, for you.
Did you make that application in your name, or was the application made in somebody else's name?
James's name, Judge.
James made the application. What was your connection to this loan?
The guarantor, Judge.
Did somebody at the other end of the telephone explain to you what the role of a guarantor was and the nature of the risk that you were getting into?
Yes, Judge, but I must emphasise, during that conversation, I am not very, very good with big words. I get easily confused over the telephone, OK, and I always have.
The monthly payments were £117.14.
Yes, Judge, but again, I want to emphasise, being my family, I put my full trust in them to repay me. And they knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing when they only paid that first payment. They had no intentions of paying any more payments.
Madam.
I haven't got mug tattooed on my forehead, Judge. They knew what they were doing to me. They are evil, and they traumatised me over this.
What money?
Traumatised me. Traumatised me.
Where's all this come from, then?
3 payments I paid because of them.
Madam! £3,000 arrived in your bank account. We then need to discover what happened next. James, Hazel, did you receive any of that £3,000, yes or no?
No.
He's a liar, Judge. He's lying.
You're a liar.
You're a liar.
The money went into the account 27th of April, came out the same day. It was a couple of hours in between.
No. Evidence. Where's the evidence?
The cashier, Judge.
Evidence. Show you the evidence.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the judge. I'm not here for you. I'm here to defend myself from what you've done to me. He's lying.
She deserves an Oscar.
She deserves a what?
Oscar.
Now.
Good
I swear he's lying.
Good performance.
He's lying. Don't talk to me. I'm not afraid of you anymore.
He's done nothing wrong to me.
Be quiet!
Unbelievable.
James, the money comes in on the 27th of April, and quite correctly, the exact same amount leaves in cash on exactly the same day.
Correct, Judge.
I can see it's correct. You say you didn't receive a single penny of that. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Not one iota?
No, Judge.
What do you believe Julie did with the money?
Well, I have evidence here, if that's possible to show.
Some kind of evidence.
Some kind of evidence, and this is
Some kind of evidence?
Well, she had all the garden back done out, and that was all concrete soil before. And this is a bike, a brand new bike that they had, which cost £950.
It was more expensive than that, Judge, the bike was.
Oh, wow.
And that bike is 2 years old, Judge.
What other evidence do you have, other than the washing line and half a bike, that she kept that £3,000 for herself? Why would she take £3,000 out in cash? Perhaps you can help me. You understand, she could have bought that bike on a card. She had the money in her account. Do you see? Talking!
I paid cash.
Be quiet!
She doesn't believe in credit cards or stuff like that, Judge.
I paid cash for that bike.
Yeah,
Judge, I've never been in debt in my life.
Which she took out of the bank.
That's your second strike. I want you to be quiet. Did you buy a car with that money, the £3,000?
No, Judge.
What car did you buy with that money?
I bought a Vauxhall Zafira.
With that money?
No.
Yes, he did, Judge.
Be quiet! When did you buy that Vauxhall Zafira, sir?
I purchased that car this year, Judge.
How long after April?
I'm not sure on the date, Judge. I think it was a little week after I purchased the car.
A week after?
Yes.
Second problem is this, sir. It would be very silly indeed, wouldn't it? Not to mention a little bit odd for you to make a repayment on a loan when you'd not benefited from the loan. Be a very odd thing to do, correct? Yes, Judge Rinder, that would be a very odd thing to do.
She changed her ways of the loan. She got the loan. I respect her, and out of generosity of her heart, which we were speaking at the time. And I said, thank you very much. But she agreed to give me the money straight away, but she did not give me the money, Judge. She said to me, she changed her mind. She said, I want you to make 3 payments and show willingness towards the loan, so then I'll release the funds to you. But we never seen the funds after that.
1 payment he made, Judge. The first payment he made, and after that he
We have
defaulted,
made-
Judge.
I'm sorry, but I didn't bring a bank statement up either. I made 3 payments.
No, Judge.
According to the loan company, James, you made 1 repayment. 2 further payments have been made.
Mine.
Both of those payments have been made according to the loan company by Julie,
Thank you,
not
Judge.
by you.
No, I didn't.
The current
No,
outstanding, be quiet.
Thank you, Judge.
The current outstanding loan, according to the loan
way.
company, which is the best evidence that this court can rely upon,
Thank you.
is £3,036
Wow.
and 36 pence. The car that you purchased, sir, the one that you just told me you purchased about a week after all of this took place, did you pay cash?
Yes, no, give me the cash to get to the car.
Can you please go to my chambers? Thank you very much. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.